Hi, my name is Mark Miller, and I'd like to welcome you to one of our most recent plant setups for our customer here. And we have a culmination of several projects throughout this building. Mezzanines, fall protection, bridge cranes, work platforms, a lot of stuff going on here that actually helps maximize their production. You just saw one of PWI's awesome inventions, the drawbridge. This is a place where they can raise it up, put a whole bunch of product on it, usually cabinets or tanks related to RVs, then lower the whole platform down, and then they can take them off one at a time, and everything continuously feeds down. As I mentioned, maximizing your production. We start in one area. This is an RV plant, and we'll come in one area with a frame, and we have cranes handling everything from the rotation of the device to flipping it over to adding axles and adding walls, adding the roof, bringing in cabinetry, all kinds of things that you can use cranes for. One thing that I would have as advice for plant managers or building project managers as you're looking at opening up a new manufacturing facility: ease of access to whatever you're building. Let's say, for instance, if it's RVs like it is for this customer, we have outrigger platforms which bring you down from the mezzanine a little bit lower that you can actually get onto the work platforms, and we have regular stairways to get down to those. Easy access to all their supplies that are up on the mezzanines to get down to the ground level, or from the mezzanines to get down to the RV level where they're working.